Hi and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you how you can create a Skrill account. So let's start our video. First, go to the Play Store or App Store, download and install the application on your device. Then tap on Open the application. It will bring you here. If you want to turn on the notification, you can do that by just tapping on it and allow it. Then you need to tap on Register because we don't have an account, so we will create an account first. Here you need to accept all. So this is the first step where you need to select the country of your residence and then select the currency. So once you selected that, it will auto select it. If not, then you can change it by tapping on the downward arrow and it will open a list. From there you can choose the country and currency, then tap on Next. So guys, the next step is that you need to enter an email address and then enter a password for your Skrill account. So I will enter the information first and then I will show you. So guys, once you enter the email password, then tap on Next. So guys, in the next step, all you need to do is to verify your email. They have sent a verification code to your email that you provided. You need to copy that code and paste it here. So guys, once you paste the code here, all you need to do is to tap on Next. It will bring you here, and here all you need to do is to enter your first name, last name, date of birth, and then nationality and occupation as well. You can choose that one. Keep in mind that all the information you provided should be authentic. So guys, once you enter all the information, all you need to do is to tap on Next. So guys, here you need to enter your address details, the residence that you currently have. You need to enter the address here, the address, postal code, and the city, and then we will tap on Next. So I will enter the information first. So guys, once you enter all the information, tap on Next. Now here you need to enter your phone number, including the country code as well. So the phone number should be valid because they will send you a code and then you need to verify it. So guys, once you enter your phone number, all you need to do is to tap on Next. And they will send a verification code here. You will receive it on your phone number. As you can see, I received the code. Then you need to copy it and paste it here. Once you're done with that, tap on Next. And as you can see, they say account successfully created. All you need to do is to tap on Continue. So guys, as you can see, the account has been created, but they say your account is restricted. In the next step, we will verify our account. So I will make a new video regarding that topic. So this is how you can create a Skrill account. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.